Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your outdoor adventures. Today, we have the best Summit Treestand Replacement Seat, the Summit Treestands Replacement Seat in Mossy Oak Camo. If you're looking for comfort and durability on your hunting trips, this is the seat you need. Let's dive into what makes this replacement seat a must-have for hunters. The Summit Treestands Replacement Seat features a double-layer foam design that offers exceptional comfort during long hours of sitting in the stand. Whether you're waiting for the perfect shot or simply observing your surroundings, this seat ensures you remain comfortable and focused. The foam is thick yet flexible, providing the perfect balance of support and cushion to help you stay seated without discomfort. What makes this seat stand out is its versatility. It's designed to fit most summit climbers and other commercially available stands, making it an easy upgrade for anyone who needs a replacement seat. You don't have to worry about compatibility issues. This seat seamlessly integrates into your existing stand, giving you a reliable, comfortable hunting experience. Another fantastic feature is the adjustable seat height. Whether you're bow hunting or rifle hunting, you can easily adjust the seat's position to suit your needs. The ability to sit higher in the frame for bow hunting allows for better mobility, while sitting lower provides greater stability when rifle hunting. This customization ensures you have the perfect setup for any hunting situation. Not only is the seat practical, but it also comes in the iconic Mossy Oak Camo, which blends seamlessly with your surroundings. If you're someone who values blending in with nature, this pattern will keep you concealed, giving you an edge while out in the field. The Summit Treestands Replacement Seat is built to last. It is made of high-quality materials that can withstand the elements, ensuring durability even in tough weather conditions. Whether you're hunting in rain or shine, this seat will continue to perform, providing comfort and reliability season after season. Overall, the Summit Treestands Replacement Seat in Mossy Oak Camo is an excellent investment for any hunter. It combines comfort, durability, and adjustability into one outstanding product. So, if you're looking to upgrade your tree stand seat, this is the perfect choice. That's all for today's review of the Summit Treestands Replacement Seat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best outdoor gear. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy hunting!